What's up? Dylan here with No Limits, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your DINs. The first step in adjusting your DIN is identifying which screws you need to turn in order to change it. The best way to do this is to go online and look up an owner's manual for your specific binding, and that'll tell you which screws are your DIN screws. On this specific ski, the DIN screws are here on the toe piece and here on the heel piece. The next step is to engage your boot in your binding. The next step is to grab your screwdriver and start turning the DIN screw. To increase your DIN, you'll take the screw and turn it clockwise. To decrease the DIN, you'll turn it counterclockwise. As you're adjusting your DIN, you'll see the DIN level, this white line in your window, adjust according to how you turn the screw. Once the level aligns with your desired number, in this case, my DIN is going to be set at 9, you're all good to go. Repeat this step with your heel piece. Make sure both the toe piece and the heel piece are set to the same DIN. Once the DIN windows indicate the desired number, you'll be good to go.